Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous video, we covered multiplication with decimal points. So now we will do division. Basically division means dividing something. The name itself says dividing. Dividing means, let me take an example, 12 divided by 3. What does it mean? 12 divided by 3 means I am trying to divide 12 among 3 groups. Suppose assume there are 12 rupees and I am dividing 12 rupees for 3 members. Here first person, second person, third person. Each one should get equal amount of rupees. Suppose there are 12 rupees, I am dividing to 3 persons. Each one should get equal amount. Each one should get 4 rupees, right? Then only the sum of these 3 amount will become 12. So basically division means something we are dividing. Here what is there? We are dividing this to these many parts. Means 100 divided by 5 means we are dividing 100 into 5 equal parts. 29 divided by 3. 29 is dividing into 3 equal parts. 20 divided by 4. We are dividing 20 into 4 equal parts, which is 5. 5, 5, 5, 4 parts means 20. So for this, at least you should know 2 to 9 table, then we can do division easily. For example, 12 divided by 3 means how many times 12 is coming? 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, right? So answer is 4. If we divide 12 among 3 groups, we will get as 4 for each part. Another example, 100 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 0 left 20. Don't bother about this. I will teach how we are getting these answers. So we can divide 100 into 5 parts, which has 20 in each part. So basically division means 100 divided by 5, right? For that you should know 2 to 9 table. Here 5, right? We can do with 5 table. 5 how many times 10 comes? 5 twos are 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now take this 0 below. Nothing is there, right? To do division. So keep this 1 extra 0 here. The answer is 20. You might have a confusion. Let me take some more examples. 1020 divided by 4. First try with first digit. Can we divide 1 by 4? No, because it is smaller. We can't divide 1 to 4, right? Take then 2 digits. 10. Can we divide 4 with 4? Yes, we can do, because 4 is smaller than 10. 4 how many times? 4 ones are 4. 2 smaller. 4 twos are 8. Smaller one. 4 threes are 12. Bigger one. Don't take bigger one. Just a smaller one value. 4 twos are 8. Here I am writing 4 table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, like this. Here first we took 4, 8, 12. 12 is greater than 10, right? Just before that value you have to consider. 8, 4 twos are 8. How much left? 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 1 minus 1, 0, 2. Take next value below. It became 22. 4 how many times? 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 24 is bigger number. We have to take smaller one. 4 5s are 20. Just a smaller one. Not like 2 smaller one. Just a smaller 2. That bigger number. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Next take this digit also. 0. How much it became? 20. 20 is there in 4 table. 5s are. Here I forgot to write 5 before. 4 5s are 20. This 20. 4 2s are this 8. Now 4 5s are 20 again. 4 5s are 20. So 20 minus 20, 0. The answer will be 225. 255, sorry. Okay. Let me consider some more examples. 3 division 9832182. Okay, first I will write 3 table here. so that we can do easily. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. This is 3 table, right? First go with 1 digit. Can we divide this? Yes, this is bigger than 3. So 3 how many times? 3 3s are. So 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Take 1 digit, 8. 9 3 how many times? 3 3s are 9, but it is bigger than 8. So just take smaller one. 3 2s are. 3 2s are 6. How much left? 8 minus 6, 2. Take next value 3, 23. Where is 23? 24, but smaller one, 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Take next one, 2. It became 22. Again 3 8s are 24, which is a bigger one. We can't subtract. Go for 7. 3 7s are 21. We left with 2 minus 1 1, 0. Next take this one. 11 means 3 4s are 12, because it is bigger, so we have to consider 9. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9, 2. Next take 8, 28. 3 9s are 27, right? Because 3 times are 10, 30 is the bigger one, so we have to consider a smaller one, 27. Left with 1. Next 2. 3 how many times 12? 3 4s are 12. So 0. The answer will be, this is the answer. Like this we have to do division. What if there are two digits? 99 by 3. How can we do this? 3 1s are 3. Start with left side. 3 3s are 9. Nothing left. 3 3s are 9. So answer is 33. Let me take this one only. 9 8 3 2 1 8 2 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9, right? 3 2s are 6. How much left? 2. It became 23. 3 7s are 21. How much left? 23 21. 23 minus 21, we left with 2. So it became 22. Again 3 7s are 21. How much we left? 1. 3 3s are 9. How much? 2 left. 3 9s are 27. We left with 1. 3 4s are 12. So answer is 3 2 7 7 3 4 9. Like this also we can do the division. And for 2 digit 3 digit you should know the numbers. Like if you are doing it 30 table, we can do this also, like 309080. Suppose we have to divide with 30. Let me take here 30. Some value I will consider. For that, first write 30 table. 31s are 30, right? 32s are 60, right? 33s are 90. 34s are 120. 35s are 150. 36 are 180. 37s are 210. 38s are 240. 39s are 270. 3010s are 300. This one you have to write by multiplying, like 30 into 1 how much? 1 0 0 1 1 1 3 3. 31s are 30. 38 how much? 808, sorry 0 8 0 20 240. Like this. Now we know the table, right? 30 how many times 9 is it comes? No, it is smaller. So 98. Where is 98 here? 90 is there, 120 is there. Smaller value we have to consider, right? 3 3s are 33s are 90. How much we left? 8. Take 7. It became 87. Where is 87 near value? 90 we can't consider, right? Because 90 is bigger value. We can't subtract from 87. We have to take 60. 32s are 60. 7 minus 0 7. 8 minus 6 27. Now take 8. 278. Where is near 278? 270 300. Which one we have to consider? 270. 39s are 270. We are left with 8. Now comes 2. 82. Check the near value. 82. 60, right? 32s are 60. How much? 2 8 minus 6 2. We are left with 22. Again we can do by taking decimal value also. but we'll stop here only for better understanding. The answer will be 3392 point something something. That point decimal division will continue in next video. Here are some examples. 24 divided by 6, how much? It will be 6 4s are right, 6 1s are 6 4s are 4 will be the answer. 20 by 5. Okay, let us see what if you have signed integers. Same in as in multiplication, like plus 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 minus minus plus minus minus. If both are same signs, answer will be positive. If different signs, answer will be negative. I mean, suppose assume 24 divided by 6 is there, no? If both are plus, answer will be positive. If both are negative, answer will be positive. If any one number is positive and another number is negative, means answer will be negative. Answer will be same, but the sign matters, that's it. If it is 24 by minus 6, answer will be same, but sign will be matter, minus. Like that here, 20 divided by 5 is there, this one. 5 4s are 20, 0 0, answer is 4. But 1 plus 1 minus, different sign means negative answer. 30 divided by 6, 6 divided by 30, 6 5s are 30, 0 0, answer will be 5. Different sign, right? So then different sign means negative, minus 5 will be the answer. 42 by 7, 42 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7 6 are 42, 6 are same sign, right? So plus will be the answer. Here you can see positive, both are positive, answer will be positive. And one more thing, 0 divided by anything, 0 divided by anything will be 0. I mean 0 by 10, 0, 0 by 1, 0, 0 by 1 lakh, 0, 0 by anything will be 0. But please note that anything divided by 0 not allowed, or it is called not defined. Means we should not divide anything divided by 0. Means 2 by 0 not allowed, 3 by 0 not allowed, it is not defined. 8 by 0 no, 0 by 0 no. In denominator there should not be any 0. That's why you might have observed in multiplication, in number system, while telling rational numbers I told p by q form, where q should not be equal to 0. For this purpose only I told q should not be equal to 0, because it will be not defined. Not defined means the value is not defined. So here 0 by 8, 0 by anything means 0, but anything by 0 not allowed. So 0 by 8 is 0. Just sign only, negative divided by positive, answer will be negative. Different signs, same sign, positive. True or false? Is 0 by 5 true? How much it will give? 0. Yes, correct. 5 divided by 0, in division there should not be 0, so this is false, this is true. Here are some homework problems. Please solve and answer in comment section. And in this one, which is undefined, means not defined. And we'll continue in next video. Thank you.